Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on antibiotic resistance, and this question was taken from the 2018 November DEKZN exam. So let's jump in. Study the table below that shows the changes in antibiotic resistance in 3 strains of bacteria. Okay, so we can see we have years over here, and the resistance, and here are our 3 different strains of bacteria, and in these columns we have the antibiotic resistance as a percentage. So 2.1.1, which bacteria strain was A, the most resistant to antibiotics over the years? And if we have a look at it, we can see straight away that it's MRSA, as there is resistance all the way from 1981 through to 2001, where it developed a really high resistance of 60%. So A is MRSA. B, which bacteria strain was the last to develop antibiotic resistance? And if we have a look, we can look at FQRP, and we can see that it's got doesn't have resistance in 1981, nor in 1985, nor in 1989, and only after that it started to develop in 1993. So it's the last one that started to develop resistance, as VRE developed resistance in 1989. So the answer for B is FQRP. Right. And the last question, 2.1.2, calculate the percentage increase in antibiotic resistance in VRE from 1993 to 1997. So we can see in 1997 there was a resistance of 20%, and in 1993 it was a resistance of 5%. So that's a 4 times increase in resistance. So let's work that out. We can say 20 divided by 5 times 100%, because we're dealing with percentages, and that'll give us 4 times 100, which gives us 400%. So it's a 400% increase in antibiotic resistance from 1993 to 1997. That is huge. Right, and that's it, guys. That'll give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read all about them down in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic video tutorials, and if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send it to us and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.